This is how I have to get my animals, my birds. Make sure that they are right. Feed them, give them water under this weather. Clean the pathway. Understand? Clean the pathway. With some salt. Move the water, their food, different location. As you already know, man. This weather ain't no joke. It's the pigeon and the duck. And they're all set. That's the rest of the other chickens. They're all set. Now it's time to go home, my friend. Watch this weather. The sky is white. It's pretty full. Pretty full, right? You can see the difference from the street to the land. That's what it is right now. Yep. That's what it is right now, my friend. Let's see. Yes, sir. That's the way it is. That's my buckets. I put salt in. It's the shed. I clean the shed. What's that? See how my backyard look like. Yeah. That's my porch look like, my friend. This is no joke. This is real life in America. Okay? This is real life. As you can see right here, I clear that part so I can able to take my puppies out. Yeah. That's the puppies. I already take them out. That's the birds, the dove. Those ones are inside, so they're pretty cool. Inside I feel nice and warm, so they're good.